Hi everyone, welcome back to TMS Royals, and today we are going to be tilling our garden. It's actually this bed right here. It goes all the way to, it's about 20 feet, 25 feet by 6 feet, 6 feet. And we already got some cauliflowers growing out here, which they're going to be moved. And this apple tree, which we grew from seeds, is going to be moved. And so yeah, and we're going to be planting corn out here. So as I showed you in a previous video, we started growing corn seeds inside, so I'm going to show you how big they are now after 3 weeks. And so yeah, but today the video is going to be about unboxing this Ryobi 13.5 amp electric cultivator. It's 11 to 16 inch adjustable tilling width. It's got a 3-position depth adjustment, 6 steel tines, heavy duty, a compact folding handles. And it's a 5-year limited tool warranty, 90-day no risk. Well, the best thing about this is electric. So I wanted a corded one, so that way when I store it, it wouldn't mess up. So it's got a push button start for ease of use. So yeah, basically it's 13.9 pounds. The tilling depth is 8 inches. And so yeah, we got this at Lowe's. It was for $139. Sorry, excuse me, let me correct that. Home Depot, $139. So Ryobi is a good brand. We've already gotten a power washer from that brand, and it's working wonders. So yeah, but we got this brand, like I said, because we've already had a brand like this in the power washer, but it's one of the good brands. So but yeah, and we're gonna see how this turns out. So let me go ahead and get it cranked up. Yeah, can't wait to see what it's gonna do. Go. Okay, I said go ahead and get started, but there's parts you got to put together. Like this is the handle, and okay, so there's some other things in here we got to get out. I'm taking, this is the other part of the handle, kind of like a lawnmower a little bit. And so yeah, there's the instructions. Yeah, there's the instructions on how to get it fixed up. Whoa, here it is. This is it. Okay, there's more stuff inside this box. Let's see what's in here. These are the blades. It's got 2 X-shaped blades. Got 2 wheels here for the roll one. Bolts that you put it together with, I guess. Okay, we got 2 more blades here. Or actually, it's 1 big blade stuck together. It's got an X-shaped blade on each side. Wow, there's more blades. I think we're done. Look at these. There's more. It's on 2 X's stuck together with another set of blades. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get this bad thing put together, and we'll check it out and see you in just a minute. Okay, we're going to put this the middle handle. We're going to attach it up to here. And then you see there's a holes right here. They meet up with the holes inside the small handle. And we're going to stick a bolt through there. And then we're going to attach it, the little thing, the little security nut on the other end. Okay, we do that for both sides, so we're going to stick a nut on the other side. Okay, now we're going to attach the top handle to the second handle. And this handle will have the gear up here for you to push to run it. It has the power cord. I believe that's the power cord, maybe not. But anyways, we'll figure that out in a minute. And so we're going to go ahead and screw some more screws in both of these right here. We'll be back in just a second. Okay, got the clips in. We got the little nails and the little bolt things. We got here, and there, and there. And this is a little clip that holds the wire in place. So basically you just stick the wire in the hole, and then you clip it on like so. And there you go. Okay, this was the cord retainer, and actually I was supposed to, before you put the second bar on and twist these screws in here, you're supposed to slide it up and hang it right there, and I actually forgot to do it, so let me do that real quick.